I like the oversized studs. I think it's really cool. I love the hot pink they had. They have this little bag here in Germany. It was almost impossible to get it in London. What do we think? Do we like it? Should I show you the black one as well quickly? I don't know. Maybe I'm just a little bit heartbroken because of my pigeon right now. Hi Emilio. Do you like the coffee?
Yes.
We're just setting up in Jacob, our star of the night, and they saw my pigeon clutch in my Chanel bag, and they were like, oh my god, we need to check that this is not alive. Guys, I think it's really nice, this one, isn't it? Next day, and I'm still pretty sleepy. It was such a nice night, such a beautiful film. I really enjoyed it, but I have to be honest with you guys, I'm a little bit heartbroken with what happened to Fran. So I guess we have to wait until I'm back in London to see what's going to happen, what JW Anderson can do. Welcome to another Berlin vlog. It's been a long night again last night. You might have seen that video, if not, go and check it out. And yeah, so today we're going to, it should be here somewhere. It's raining again. The first 2 days in Berlin were so nice, and my last 2 days are just raining and miserable and cold. Germany. No, so we're going to Galeries Lafayette today, and yeah, we're just gonna go on a little shopping spree before the live stream tonight. So I don't have that much time actually, so I have to get ready for Super Jacob's live stream. Of course, I needed my coffee to start this day. Look at this weather, guys. Why? I actually got a new umbrella after I lost mine yesterday. And we're here, guys. We found it. Galeries Lafayette. Hey guys, we are in Galeries Lafayette, and I think this is a teeny tiny Galeries Lafayette in comparison to the one we saw in Paris. But yeah, nonetheless, let's see what we find here. Oh, look at this, some Karl Lagerfeld bags. This is actually pretty cool. It's like a metal bag. Little glittery bag. I need a new card holder. I think this is hilarious. Choupette, was Choupette the name of his cat? A nice tote. I actually think that is a pretty cool tote, right? I actually like the calligraphy on it. Marc Jacobs tote bag. I know many of you actually have this bag, and I think it's a pretty good price point, right? Yeah, let me know if you enjoy yours. Oh look, now they have the bucket as well after the tote. Marni, guys. Anyone into Marni bags? I know they were famous for their little hoop bags in the past couple of years. This one's actually 50% off, but still, I don't know if they are worth it. And guys, here we go, full circle. Vivienne Westwood. Yeah, I don't know what brand this is, but this tote is really cool, right? Okay guys, so let me be honest with you. I expected a lot more from Galeries Lafayette. They don't have anything here. Like, if you go to Galeries Lafayette in Paris, they have Louis Vuitton, Chanel, Dior, everything you can think of. Proper boutiques inside the department store. Here they don't have any big brands. So if you're in Berlin, it's definitely not worth, and you're luxury hunting, it's definitely not worth going to our Galeries Lafayette here. There's nothing. Oh wow, look at this art. Incredible, huh? Yeah, I would say we're gonna go back to the KaDeWe and look at everything we haven't looked at yesterday, because there was still a lot of stuff I actually wanted to see. And yeah, let's do that. There we are, guys, and it is still raining like crazy. My poor unreal fur coat. Did we have a look at the Valentino bags? I think we didn't, right? So let's do that quickly. That's a nice little Kelly version just from Valentino. I like the oversized studs. I think it's really cool. I love the hot pink they had. And look at these sparkly, shiny little bags. That's really cool, right? There we have an east-west kind of style bag. Okay, let's go in. Guys, a quick look at Louis Vuitton. What do we think about this one? The Kusama collection. I know they're coming out with a part 2. I have to be honest, the part 1 I don't like. Everyone who follows me, you guys know that. That I wasn't the biggest fan of these bags. I'm just asking if they have my little mini capucine, the special one, available, but they don't. What do we think about the classic black? Guys, they have this little bag here in Germany. It was almost impossible to get it in London. This little white beauty with all the pearls. I thought, to be honest, this is a special edition. I can't believe that they actually have it here. And that they can even get the beautiful rare capucines like at Louis Vuitton. They're really good here in Berlin. Wow. Hey guys, anyone interested in shoes? Gucci? Let's see, I think they have some bags there as well, but I want to have a look at the shoes as well. Oh, I really like this one. Did you like the Python version of this bag that I was trying on? There we have the Gucci Diana bag. I still really like this model with the bamboo handles. These are pretty cool as well, right? And this is a new model. I've seen it here for the first time. I haven't even seen it on the website. I don't even know what the name of this bag is. Do we like it? These are very cool. I like them. Same for these pumps. Some classic Marmons, guys. Are they still in? Do we care? You know, I always say if we like something, we like it. I still love my Marmon. Jimmy Choo bags, anyone? We know there's a Sailor Moon collection coming out in 2023. Do we have any experiences with these bags? Are they worth it? I really like these shoes. They're amazing. Little pearl bag too, really cool. And look at this hot pink version with the pearls. Yeah, I like it. Wow, okay, now I'm in love. This is still Jimmy Choo, guys. Look at this clutch bag with the strap. Wow. Okay, I think we need to look at this closer. Wow. This immediately caught my eye. Let's see. It's always so difficult with one hand, guys. 2,100, so 2,200 euro. That is beautiful. Let's try it on. Here we are. Oh wow. This is a nice clutch, right? I think I'm really in love with the gold hardware and the strap. What do we think? Do we like it? Should I show you the black one as well quickly? Here's the black one as well. I like them. What can I tell you? I've never seen this model before. You guys know I like bags that are like a little bit more understated, you know. Nobody immediately recognizes that this is a designer bag. Just wonder how the quality of these bags is. So yeah, if you know anything about this brand in terms of bags, let me know. Wow, even those clutches are absolutely amazing. Look at the color of the satin. And then with a little bit of bling bling, you can get the matching shoes. It's really sparkly in real life. It doesn't come across like that on screen. Bvlgari. That is stunningly beautiful as well. Look at the sparkle, look at the details of this bag. Alexander McQueen, you can never go wrong with Alexander McQueen either. I really like the gold and the silver mixed in this bag. Bottega Veneta. I really like this small acro bag. I've seen it in this fluffy pink version and I really love that one. I think it's a cool size. Some more Bottega bags. Some shoes. They even have JW Anderson here, guys, and I'm pretty sure they don't have the pigeon bag and I don't have my receipt with me. I keep you updated what's gonna happen with my little broken pigeon bag once we're back in London. Guys, is the yellow equivalent to the blue Cookie Monster bag that I actually wanted and was thinking of getting. Now we can see it and touch it in person. Okay, it feels like a very fluffy towel. But synthetic, you know, a little bit plasticky, to be honest, so I think it's not for me. Okay guys, so here's the little JW Anderson bag. Yeah, I really wanted the blue one. Maybe it's good that I see the yellow one now in reality and realize it's maybe not for me. So the hardware is really, really lightweight. It's definitely hollow on the inside. I don't know how long this hardware would last as well, if it would scratch, if it would start chipping, because it's definitely plastic, probably with a layer of gold on top. Yeah, I think it's not for me. I don't know. Maybe I'm just a little bit heartbroken because of my pigeon right now. You know? 260 euro. Obviously it's a good price. Yes or no? Yay or nay? Salvatore Ferragamo, and look at these bags. They're new. I haven't even seen these before. Quite cool. Oh wow. No comment. Because today it's still early enough, guys. They have everything. I'm gonna go live stream with Jacob now. I got us some coffee, some cookies. It's gonna be a long night. Behind the scenes. Hi, Patrick.
Hello.
Hi, Emilio. Hi. Do you like the coffee?
Yes.
We're just setting up, and Jacob, our star of the night.
Hey. How's it going?
You haven't drank your coffee yet. That's why you're so slow.
I know. No, I'm always this slow.
The lights are good. I have a 35-pound ring light, and that's it.
Mine is 15 Yeah? There you go. Now it has more dimension.
Okay. Two makeup experts at work,
and
while I'm sitting here thinking, what are they talking about? I can't believe how long your hair is, though. It's really nice. Okay, Emilio, come here and show me your eyelashes.
I look absolutely insane.
Show me. It's Chanel, right?
Chanel. It's...
Oh my god, wait. Guys, I need to show you this. Look at his eyelashes. Now I can actually see not only your eyelashes, your eyebrows as well.
Yeah, it looks crazy, doesn't it?
Hi. So we're still trying to set up, guys. There you can see us.
Oh my god, look at me, I'm so gone.
It's finally time to leave Berlin again, and the sun is actually shining today after the last 2 days of rain. But yeah, I'm ready to go home, see my little bunnies, and I really hope you enjoyed it, guys. We had some fantastic days. Definitely make sure to go check out all the videos we filmed for Jacob's channel as well.
Berlin, Alexanderplatz.
Hi guys, so we're just at the airport now, and I think I've seen some Salvatore Ferragamo bags, so maybe we should look at them. Maybe they have some other luxury brands actually here at Berlin-Brandenburg airport too. So funny story, I just went through security, and like on the way here to Berlin nothing happened, but of course Germany's a little stricter, you know, and they saw my pigeon clutch in my Chanel bag, and they were like, oh my god, we need to check that this is not alive. So, you know, they had to make me take my clutch out and show them it's just a bag, it's not a real life pigeon. And then, you know, I got through security, but it was hilarious, I think. I've never seen something like that. So, yeah, okay, let's look at some bags. Look at that. We actually do have Salvatore Ferragamo here. Okay, I'm very excited. Look at this beautiful bag. That's very vintagey again, right? I like this style. Same with this, but I think I prefer this model. And these we saw in the KaDeWe, didn't we? I've never seen them before. It's quite nice. Here, the classics. The leather is so beautiful. There we have the little Salvatore Ferragamo vanity case. A little bucket bag. We tried that one on in pink in Bista Village. Some studio bags, some large studio bags actually. Oh, this is cute. Small studio bags, and it's tax-free obviously, because, you know, UK exited Europe. This is tax-free already. Tax-free, okay, yeah. And guys, you can even save 10% more today. I think it's really nice, this one, isn't it? We don't know the name of it. I can do some research, obviously. It really gives me like a nice vintage vibes, you know? Imagine once it gets warmer again, springtime is coming around, and oh, this is, you know, a nice little bag. I really like it. Thoughts, please? Do I need another Salvatore Ferragamo bag? I only got the classic ones, classic Gancini top handles. But this is nice, right? And obviously goes really well with my sunglasses. This is the same bag in the same style, more like the Kelly version of it. The Kelly Salvatore Ferragamo. Yeah. Which one do we prefer? This one or the other one? This floral bag. I mean, I'm not a fan of orange. You guys know that. Like, orange is my least favorite color. But it's a nice one, isn't it? I think I like, where is it? This one the most. Classic black box cut, but I mean I got a classic black Salvatore Ferragamo, right? This one actually comes in a beautiful brown, like caramel tan color. If we speak about Hermes, it's the gold color. I really like this bag in the gold. I got enough black bags, right? This bag I've never seen before. I think it's super cute. It's really tiny. I love the golden chain. Do we like this one? This is very like chic evening going out bag, right? Let's look at these Longchamp bags as well. I really like this little wicker bag. It comes in pink too. That's nice, isn't it, for Longchamp? Okay, a little bit of luxury shopping at the airport. I like that vintage looking bag. But do I need it?